Hello there, beautiful people out there. It's me again. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you all Tristan's 2-month baby updates. Yes, my baby boy is 2 months old already, y'all. Like, where is the time going? Like, I can't believe it's been 2 months since he's been on this side of the world, and it's just amazing like how time is just going by so fast. But dang, the girls are sitting right now. Oh my goodness. I had a moment, I was like, dang girl, it's the milk, y'all. I'm telling y'all, it's the milk, honey. Okay. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get it. Tristan is now 2 months old, y'all, and I just cannot believe it. Just cannot believe it. So he had his appointment last week and it went very well. So when their pediatrician walked in, like, she was just so amazed at how healthy he looks, because you know, when she just saw him, because she just saw him a month ago, and like now it's like, I know, it's like, whoa. She was very impressed at how healthy he looked, how great he looked. He was just staring her down and everything. Like, she's just amazed at his motor skills already. And he had a great appointment. He did have to get some shots, which he was not happy about, but you know, he had to get them. So at the appointment, he weighs 12 pounds now, y'all. So at his 1 month appointment, he was 9 pounds 2 ounces. Now he weighs 12 pounds even. 3 pounds in a month, y'all. Like, 3 pounds in a month. That is crazy. But he loves to eat, you guys. Like, at one point in time, I was a little overwhelmed because I felt like I couldn't keep up with his demand, because you know, with breast milk, it's a supply and demand thing. So your body produces as much milk as the baby needs. Before, I was making like 4 to 5 ounces at a time and everything, but he gets full at like 5, 5.5, basically 6 ounces of milk. But the pediatrician was like, look at him, he's eating fine. So I was like, I know, just the mom guilt. Mom guilt is real, y'all. You know, although moms are not perfect, but you just try to do the best that you can. But like she said, when I look at him, I mean, he's healthy. So he eats really well and his body shows it, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, I don't know why I'm tripping like this anyway. So he weighs 12 pounds now and he's 23.5 inches long. So not only is he gaining weight, he's getting tall as well. So he is talking a lot, like he's making a lot of cooing sounds and whoop, whoop. He's making a lot of cooing sounds, and like when he wants something, he's like, hey, hey. Like, it sounds like he's saying like, hey, mom. Like, it sounds like he's just trying to get somebody's attention, but it is so cute, y'all. Like, I just cannot believe it. So he's making more sounds and everything. So he might be talking a little early, but he is making a lot of cute sounds here and there. Yeah, and he's laughing a lot too. Like, when he smiles, he's like, like that. So not only is he talking, he's smiling a lot, and he makes a lot of cute cooing sounds. So it's just so cute. See? Yeah. You gonna make some noise for the beautiful people? Huh? Huh? Ooh, burp for them. Another thing about this little guy here, he can no longer wear newborn clothes. Yes, he is officially done with newborn clothes, y'all. Like, I think one outfit that's a little, like, can't fit. Only one outfit that's a newborn can still fit him, but everything else, trying it. Because with Maddie, my firstborn, she wore newborn clothes until she was like 3.5 months old, and he just turned 2 months old and he's already over it. So yeah, he's eating good. I don't even know why I was tripping. Like, I don't even know why. It's kind of sad because, you know, I love newborn babies. I love little tiny babies, and the fact that he's not wearing those like clothes anymore, it makes me low-key kind of sad, you know. But he's growing he's growing up, so gotta go with the flow, right? Gotta go with the flow, right? So certain 0 to 3 items can fit him, but they're about to become newborn clothes too. They can no longer fit him. So comfortably he wears 3-month clothes, and I can't believe he's not even 3 months old. You're not 3 months old yet. What the heck? So yeah, he's not 3 months old yet, but he wears comfortably 3-month-old clothes. So with Carter's, because Carter's usually runs their clothes big, but Carter's clothes that are his size fits him perfectly. So I would not be surprised by, I give it to about mid-July, he'll start wearing 3 to 6 month clothes. Y'all want to make any bets? Y'all want to make a bet? How much y'all want to bet? And I was like, so if you think also by mid-July he'll be in 3 to 6 month clothes, let me know down below. Or if you don't, then let me know down below as well. But we're gonna take some bets, all right? So yeah, baby boy is, yeah, he can no longer wear newborn stuff, and 0 to 3 is trying. Yeah. So other than that, he is just, ooh, look at that. He's just a little happy baby boy. He's just so, like, seriously, like, he is so happy. Like, so the only time he's fussy is when he's hungry or he wants his passy. But now for some reason in the car, like in the car he's fine, like in the car he is fine, but lately he's been crying in the car because I don't know why. But other than that, he is such a happy boy. The only time he's fussy is when he's hungry or he just wants his mommy. He just wants to be held and everything. So yeah, so my little baby boy, yeah, love you. I still can't believe I have a son, y'all. Like, I have a baby boy. Like, yeah, look at that. Say cheese, say cheese, say cheese. Little healthy baby boy. Aww. He is such a good baby boy, and he's such a good baby brother. He's such a good baby. So I know this is a baby update, but I've been great. If you guys want to know, definitely been trying to stay on this fitness journey. My belly's going down. So if you guys would like a postpartum fitness update, or you know, fitness videos, you know, to know what I'm doing and everything, then I'll be glad to do that. So I have it on my video to-do list, so if you guys are interested, I'll be glad to do that for you. And I also need to do my postpartum update as well for you guys. Still drinking my water, trying to stay hydrated, staying prayed up, and minding my business. So life is good, can't complain. So if you guys are following my vlogging channel, you guys know that I've been taking care of my kiddos by myself lately, but it's all for the good. So I would love to do those kind of videos for you guys, and I also would do some routine videos, lifestyle videos, because you know on Mondays those are the days that I'll be posting those videos. So if you guys are interested, let me know down below as well. So it was another thing I wanted to say. Yeah, so another thing I'm experiencing is tendonitis in my wrist. My wrist really hurts bad. It's been hurting since I've had him. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out what's going on because it really hurts. I can't do push-ups or anything. If there are any moms out there who experience the same thing, please let me know down below what you do to heal it or fix it, because your girl, I would like to do push-ups. I would like for it to feel good, but it hurts. Like, it hurts to move. I can move it, but it hurts to move it. So let your girl know down below if you've experienced this as well. So I think that is about it, you guys. I don't want this video to be too long. I don't want to bore you guys and all that, but I love doing these updates because I can always look back and see how much he has grown over the months, and also to let you guys know or keep you in the know of his stats, just in case you guys would like to know. My internet aunties, if you guys are interested, then you know you guys will get all the tea and the juice every month and everything. Such a good baby boy. You're such a cute boy. Are you such a good boy? Yeah, you gonna smile for the beautiful people? You gonna smile? Look. You gonna smile for the beautiful people on this channel? Look. Look. Look here. Look. Hey. Hey, baby. Hey. Look. Hey. Hey, baby. Hi. Yeah, you gonna smile? You gonna smile? If you guys would like to know anything else, let me know down below and we'll chit chat down below. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Peace.